Good morning, cryptocurrency traders. Bitcoin. As per yesterday, I'm still sitting long on this market at the moment, and what we are doing is we've got a small position in, and as soon as we start getting traction, we'll start adding as we're in profit. So at this stage, we had a nice engulfing pattern. So we've had pretty much two engulfing dailies, and that is a pretty good sign. But let's just get down to lower time frames just to double check where we are. And you can see we have kind of had a fractal break. I suppose this is not the fractal we need to focus on. That's the one we need to focus on. So when you're looking at these fractals, you always want to look at the break of the closest one. So the one that's closest to price, which is that one. So this one is null and void. All of these here are actually null and void. So it's the closest one that you want to worry about. So that is broken. My stop is down here at the moment, and I think I'll leave it there for now because we may still have a bit of a pullback into this area before we move to the upside. But as soon as we start moving higher than this point here, my stop will move up to below this fractal, and then so we'll keep moving the stop up below every fractal. Okay, so we do have a sort of a consolidation pattern here, which is kind of breaking. That would be the top of the consolidation pattern. So it's not broken yet, but there is potential for that to happen at the moment. So yeah, so I'm sitting long, and I'm pretty happy with the way things are working out right now. What we're looking for now is pretty much what should happen, and what does happen is often not the same, but what should happen is we should see a pullback, consolidate, test this break, and then move to the upside. This 200 EMA on the hour will hold up price a bit. Now we may just bump our head against it, bounce off, and then bounce to the upside. So those are things to watch out for. But at this moment, I'm in profit, so that's always good. And I think there is more upside to come. And I just want to check. We've got an hourly twist in the cloud. Ticker span is through price, which is bullish. We have a crossover here. Where did the crossover happen? Above the cloud, which is extremely bullish. So Tekinson and Kijinson crossed over. You can see here, Kijinson, the red line was above Tekinson, and then over here, it's the other way around. So that's been a crossover. So that's extremely bullish. So yes, I think I'll be looking to add. Now, a couple of things that I'm looking for. I'm looking for this 200 EMA to break on the hour. I need price to be above it before I'll start considering to add. At the same time, on the 4 hour is where we want to be. I'm just looking for this level now to go out because there will be some profit taking here. Okay, so there'll definitely be profit taking here. It'll bounce back, and then what we're looking for is for it to get through the cloud. Once it's through the cloud, we will have a much better picture. But at this stage on the 4 hour, you can see we've had a crossover of Tekinson and Kijinson, and Chico span is through price as well. So yeah, so this is still very bullish at the moment, and I think I'll just watch carefully for another entry to add to my position. If we look at Ether, similar pattern. We have a consolidation pattern here. I think the difference for Ether is wrong line. The difference for Ethereum is essentially that we have a triangle brewing, and we're looking for a break of this triangle. Okay, so on the 4 hour, as I'm also still sitting long, okay, and stop loss is below this fractal. My entry was on the break of this fractal, so we are slightly in profit, but now I'm looking for this level to break. Okay, so this level breaks, that will be a break of the triangle, and we can tidy this triangle up in actual fact. So we could argue that the break has happened, but I think let's just stay conservative. So similar pattern to Bitcoin at this stage, but definitely looking extremely bullish. And similar scenario, we do have the 200 EMA here. It's holding up price, so we need that to break as well. But all in all, the cryptos are looking bullish. I'm quite happy with the long positions, and there's no reason to panic at this stage. Uh, same as Bitcoin, I'll more than likely move my stop to below this level as soon as we break out above this fractal level here. Okay, so if we accelerate today, stop will move up to here. It'll mitigate our risk, and we'll be looking for some profit taking against the cloud, pull back, and then pull through the cloud, pull back, test the cloud, and then move to the upside. So that's kind of the play that I'm looking for over the next week or so. Anyway, guys, that's the crypto views this morning. Hope it helps. If you like what you see, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and drop us a comment. Anyway, enjoy the day. I'll catch you guys later. Cheers, man.